At Sudsies, we're often asked how often I should clean my comforter. Remember, you spend many hours every evening in your bed. To keep it clean for a good night's sleep, we recommend cleaning your comforter at least every other month. You always have external pollutants. You get into bed from a long day. You have a wet head. It's so important for a good night's sleep to take care of your bedding. At Sudsies, your garments and your beds will love us.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.